to see your Casey vlogs. They want to see your vlogs.
Oh, my fault, y'all. I'm over here watching this little Casey Neistat video type stuff. But, you know, I want this vlog to be real different. Let me kind of just explain to you what I mean type stuff. And I know I look dirty and everything like that. But you know one thing, though, twin? It's okay. Because, look, we're going to get ourselves together. So, we're in the closet right now. We got to find something, dog. We got to put something on. Because, dog, let me tell you something. I have to put it on. And I will put it on. And y'all know I'm gonna put it on no matter what, dog. So we're about to look through here and research. I look disgusting though. So I also gotta take a shower. I already brushed my teeth, clean my face, everything of that nature. But you already know I still have the bonnet on because you already know whenever I hop in that shower, I always have the bonnet on or have some type of thing over my head. Also, y'all, I've been thinking about cutting my dreads. I ain't gonna lie. But first, let me go and take a shower real quick, gang. So, I'll catch y'all real quick right after I get finished taking this shower. So, we about to go and turn this shower on real quick. Like this. We finna get right real quick, gango. So, the next time you should be seeing me, I should be putting it on. Hold up. I don't like that lighting. Next time you should be seeing me, I should be putting that stuff on. So, hold on. I want to give y'all a good little. How could I close it out? Like, I don't know. I'm just put my phone over, call it a day. Way better, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Taking showers is just so relaxing. Like, it just relaxes you mentally. Obviously physically, and it's honestly spiritually, twin. I ain't gonna lie. But I also have some clothes that I gotta get finished washing and stuff like that. So come with me before we head out. But I ain't ready kept the twin. It's been so long. It's 6:42 and I'm still in the crib, bro. I want to leave the crib no later than 5, bro. I want to honestly start my day back too. But guess what happened, bro? You know me, I decided to really just procrastinate. And I'm just sitting here like, bro, why? But on the bright side, I was actually gaining knowledge too at the same exact time, twin. So, you know, I just sit here and I just wonder, like, dang, bro, like, is it really okay? But then at the same time, I'm like, bro, it is okay a little tiny bit because I'm gaining knowledge, you know what I mean? But hold on real quick. I also have some clothes in my drawer too. But hey, you know, it's okay. I'm gaining knowledge. I'm learning. And on top of that, too, let me also just kind of just explain, you know, who am I and everything like that. Because the title is Who Am I? You hear me? So, let's get right into it. So, the first thing I will say we need to know is my name is Chris, obviously. I'm 21. If you haven't, go check out the 21 first vlog. I won't cap. I'm so creative. I'm so creative. I love entertaining. You know, entertaining is a passion of mine. I've been whenever I was younger, I used to do talent shows all the time. I used to win them. I did Michael Jackson, did Mindless Behavior, and then I remember I was winning so much. I told my gang whenever I was younger, I was like, hey, I'm about to make a group. I'm gonna teach you how to do some stuff. You did Harlem Shaking and some other things, and we won that thing too. But, you know, I love entertaining, and I love, like, when it comes to me being a content creator, me showing my creativity, me being able to express myself, you know, and I love photography, everything like that. I know so far, you know, y'all been seeing me hit y'all with a little bing, the bow, but also, too, it's going to be a lot more of that. It's going to be a lot more coming, man. I promise y'all. Like, honestly, I don't want these vlogs or anything like it to, like, feel like a full vlog in a sense. I want it to feel like a movie, a TV show. Like I want y'all to take something from this. I want y'all to take a piece of me. You know what I mean? Like, no homo. You heard me? No homo. Yeah. But look, I want y'all to, like, really just to, you know, understand me, and I want everybody to, you know, be like, oh, that's Chris. Like, you know what I mean? And I want all of us to lock in, because we really are a family, bro. I really do love y'all from the bottom of my heart. And, you know, I want to open up to y'all a lot more so y'all can understand me. And so, you know, we can just continue on building this family that we're going to have, man. Because, you know, y'all see me, I'm being consistent, everything like that. But enough of me talking. I gotta go on. I gotta get my fit, everything straight. And then, you know, throughout the video. You're about to learn who I am and everything like that. But yeah, so let's get dressed real quick. So alright, y'all, so we about to go get some food, twin. I ain't ready to lie, I haven't ate all day. It's gonna be the very first thing I have ate all day, twin, like all day long. So we about to go get this food. Let's do this. Let's go, man. Should I actually tell y'all like specifically what I'm ready to get? Should I do it, or should we just cruise? I think we finna just cruise. Yeah, we finna just cruise. Y'all finna just lay back, relax, and y'all finna just drive with me, twin. Oh, if this fucking camera falls, bro, I'm gonna be fucking hot, bro. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Alright, nah, it didn't fall. Alright, perfect. Look at my granny. I see my granny, my mama right now. Ready to go get sushi?
What? Who you getting it with?
She mad. That's one thing I just never genuinely understand. It wasn't even a crazy car. I promise you it wasn't, twin. But we here. We ready to go eat, bro. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, bro. It is 7, bro, and I haven't ate a lick, bro. And I've been telling myself too. I told myself I was gonna be oh, hold up. Supposed to be going on I'm doing a little vlog and stuff hold up. Well, actually I do it inside, but we finna go inside, bro. I love they food, bro. They food is so good. Okay, they open? What's that? I just wanted to just get some food.
Take out?
Nah, just sit here. Yeah, down here. Yeah. Oh. Alright, so they got music playing in here, so I'm not gonna be recording that much, but I'm gonna be vlogging and stuff, but I got you.
How you doing today?
Doing good, how you doing?
Good. Can I get you something to drink?
Just a water.
Just the water?
Yeah.
Get that ready.
Alright, baby, thank you.
Alright, so I want to start though.
Alright, so Ron, Oshi. Alright, so I'm vlogging. Flex. Also, too, y'all, I'm the only one here. That's the great thing about this. So, you know, it's just a perfect time just to come, bro. It's a me time date. But, you know, I love food, bro. We will be getting actually, I'ma just wait. Whenever the food come, I'ma show y'all what I get. But you know, we finna eat good. I'm glad the music turned off though, but Alright, we about to try the sushi real quick. I try something different. There you go. Alright, 5. That's 5. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. That food was fantastic. Oh my gosh, bro. I needed that in my life, bro. And it feels so good just being able to take your own self out, bro. Like nobody there, it's just you. Like I needed that, bro. Like that was actually something I really did need, bro. Like I truly, honestly needed that a long time for myself. Like I feel like let's just talk in the car. I got to film so much content, and I actually filmed my very first vlog and everything for TikTok, man. Filmed my very first vlog on there. Y'all should go tap in, go check that out, man. But like this is something like it was really much needed, bro. Like I know I kept saying that, keep saying it, but like it was like for real, bro. I feel good, feel amazing. Now I can go record some more videos, twin. Like I gotta record, but I really wanna go to this Goodwill, but they might be closed, bro. Or actually getting close to closing. Yeah, they close at 9. Like that's the thing. If I was to go, like, I know one I could go to, but they are closing soon. They close at 9. It's 8:07, so I still have time just to look around and stuff. But to actually buy something, I don't know. Hey, that's what I get for my time management was bad, but that's what I'm trying to get better at. My fault for the lighting looking all bad and stuff. But like, yeah. But I'm gonna figure something out though. If I don't see, that's the thing. I do want to do something though. Nah, we finna go out. Actually, let me see. Cause I don't know. You see, I crack my phone, y'all. You see that? But you know, this stuff I love to do, man. I love food, bro. Food is like I'm single. Here's the thing, like food is something you could grab my heart if you have some good food, shawty, and you cook that thing and you really do your thing, dizzle, shawty. Oh my gosh. Oh, should we go play bingo? We could go play bingo just on some stuff, for real. I never been in there just to sit and play bingo. I never done that before. Or we can go walking. I ain't going walking, bro. Who I look like? Boo Boo the Fool? I think so. I don't like it. Guess we doing my phone again. Alright, well good, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. This is my second time recording this because I decided to try to do a cool little outro or whatever, because I truly didn't know if this was the end of the vlog. I tried to do a cool one, and then I done dang near almost hit my whole phone and almost made it fall off the thing that y'all on right now. So let me chill out. Let me redo this again. But I hope I did enjoy this vlog so far. I truly don't know if this is the end of the vlog. I hope it's not, but if it is, then I hope I did enjoy. But so far, man, I just wanted to say, on this channel, like I said, man, y'all gonna be getting me, man. The title of his name is My Name, Chris. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna be getting me, man. All the vlogs are gonna be way more creative, man, way more turned. I'm gonna show y'all, man, like, cause like I said, man, I love photography, anything like that. Y'all see me trying to do the cinema stuff. I love editing, man. I just love creating. I love being able to make outstanding art, man. I want to make movies, man. I want to be able to direct. I want to be able to act. I want to be able to do all that. And I want to put all that in one in all my vlogs. I mean, in every single YouTube video that I do upload, man. I'm putting all this effort in. Not just in my vlogs though. It's gonna be all in my reaction channels and anything else of that nature. I've been vlogging and stuff. I've been posting more content when it comes to my TikTok and stuff too, man. I'm stepping ahead that box, man. Like I've been wanting to do, but you know, I think we all have times where we just hold ourselves. We hold our own selves back, and it's just always we always give. I'm stuttering. We always give ourselves that, oh well, I can't do because of that. Just do it, twin. We young. If you mess up, man, people are actually willing to help, man. So it's time to turn up, man. It's time to do what you got to do and grind. That's what I've been telling everybody around me. But, you know, I know I always be telling people around me, but I need to also do it myself. You know what I mean? Like, to be honest, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Like, when it comes to me and, like, actually, like, my dreams, my aspirations, everything like that, bro, I already know what I want, man. I truly, honestly do. And I'm gonna grind for it, bro. This is what I want, man. Being a content creator, bro. I want to be one of the biggest, one of the greatest, man. And I know I will be, man. I know it should take time, it takes effort, it takes patience, and it also takes being able to step out that box and being able to be uncomfortable. And me, I love to be uncomfortable. I hate when I'm comfortable. And what I noticed was recently, you know, I was comfortable and I was okay and I was satisfied with it, man. And you just can't let that happen, man. You cannot be satisfied. You have to love. Like, you have to literally want that craving of being uncomfortable. And whenever I am comfortable, that's when I like feel uncomfortable in a sense. Like, you know what I mean? Like, just my whole mindset, everything's changing, and that's just how I know, you know, I'm going in the right direction. And I just know only a matter of time, and my time's gonna come. And when my time comes, man, y'all already know I'm gonna be ready, and we're gonna look back in these videos being like, wow, Chris, you said it, man, you called it, and you really put that work in to do it. And I promise you're gonna get that, though, for sure. All the manifesting, everything I've been doing, bro. But it's gonna be all worth it, like I keep on saying. But I don't want to keep on be running around in circles or everything like that. I know this vlog, we only been in for two locations for real. We just been chilling this vlog, but I just really wanted to try something new and want to see how this goes. And y'all let me know what y'all think about this down in the comment section too. Hopefully everything turns out amazing, from the music to B-rolls to anything and everything. I'll tap in with the TikTok and everything of that nature. I really wanted to go thrifting though, because I really wanted to get some clothes or whatever like that. But we'll see what happens. I might do it tomorrow. I might not end this vlog, but I don't know how much content I have. If I have a lot, then this could be the end. If not, then it's not. But we'll see what happens. But thank y'all. Love y'all. Don't forget to be great. Continue to follow your dreams. More videos. It's going to be on the way. I'm only saying that if this is the outro. But if it's not, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. If it is, thank y'all. Love y'all once again. Be great. Continue to follow your dreams, twin. And come join that family, man. Come subscribe, man. We are on the road to 1K, man. That's crazy. I love saying that, bro. I said it on all my other channels and we hit it. We're going to hit it on here, too. Love y'all, man. Peace, twin.